Okay, so we're in my basement, and everybody knows I'm a crazy couponer, so I like to stock up on things. And Charlie likes to get on top of the refrigerator. Just give you a perspective of how high up he is and how cluttered my basement is. So I walked in here because the washing machine is about done, and I was gonna change it out to the dryer. And there was Charlie on top of the refrigerator just cleaning himself. Bub, your nails are so sharp, we need to trim those. Gotta be trimming those, my boo. Gotta be trimming those. And here are more coupons that I'm about to plan another trip to CVS. Ow! Man, those are some sharp claws! Ow! My washing machine is done. Isn't that song great that it plays for you? Bub, you look like you're a little bit pissy today. Like, what if I went like this? Wah, 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 wah. That's goodness in there, though. That's some goodness. Bub, how about this one? Gonna be getting it. What do you guys do on Sundays? This is, ow, jeez. Razor sharp, Bub. You gotta be trimming those. Gonna be trimming those. This is what we do on Sundays, just mess around. Nothing very particular. What's it? Oh, somebody touched you right there. They touched you right there. What are these two? What do these things do? Oh, those are extended claws. Extended claws. What do you think? Why is that thing always in your face? How come everybody always wants that in your face? I was thinking I haven't posted a video for a few days, but I don't know what to post one about, so usually I just feel inspired, and this is a sort of more of a vlog video, I guess, because it's just Charlie on top of the refrigerator. Bubba, what you? Bye. Say bye to the people of YouTube. Say bye-bye. I need to go get my nails trimmed.